눈동자 굴릴 참을.
그냥 해 눈동자 굴릴. Number 1, 그냥 해. Just do it. Just go ahead. Simply 해, do. Very casual, almost dismissive tone. 2, 눈동자, eyeball, pupil. In lyrics and speech, it means eyes in a poetic, emotional way. Number 3, 굴리. Future modifier form of 굴리다 equal to roll. So 굴릴, you to roll, used before a noun. But 눈동자 굴리다 to roll one's eyes, like when annoyed. Here's the breakdown of 밀어붙여 나다움에. Number 1, 밀어붙여, from 밀어붙이다, to push forward, to push through, to forcefully continue. 밀어붙여, imperative casual command, push through, go for it, keep pushing. Very motivating, strong tone. 2, 나다움, my true self, being myself, my authenticity. 나, me, 다움, ness, the quality of being something. So 나다움 literally meanness, the thing that makes me myself. Number 3, a location target particle, in, on, toward, because of. Here it means because of, into, with, depending on context. Full meaning, push forward with my true self, or go for it, into my true self, or keep pushing, staying true to who I am. 실패 과정의 다른. Here's the breakdown of 실패 과정의 다른 이름. 1, 실패, failure. 과정, process, procedure, course. 실패 과정, the process of failure, or the failing process. Ordinance 우이, possessive particle of. So 실패 과정에 equals of the failure process. That's 4, 다른, different. 5, 이름, name. Full meaning, another name for the process of failure, or a different name for the process of failing. This is often used in motivational or lyric contexts, meaning failure is just another name for growth, experience, progress. Here's the breakdown of 하고 싶은 대로. Number 1, 하고 싶다, to want to do something. 하다고, to do. 하고 싶다, to want to do. 2, adjective form, turns want to do into the thing I want to do. 하고 싶은, that I want to do. 3, 대로, as the way, according to thair. It means in the way, that the way you want. Full meaning, do it the way you want to, or as you want, or according to what you want to do.